Aurangzeb. The Maratha warrior took offense and stormed out of the court. The Maratha warrior, who was the Maratha warrior? Shivaji got very angry and he just walked out of the court. He was insulted. He said, "You're a king, I'm a king. You should at least make me sit." He made him stand along with his behind the commanders. The Maratha warrior, who is the warrior? Brave soldier. Whom are we talking about? Shivaji. He took offense, meaning he got very angry and he stormed out of the court. He just left the court in great anger. He was very angry. The next day, the Mughal soldiers surrounded Shivaji's house and he was placed under house arrest. What is house arrest? They arrest you in your house and make sure you do not leave the house. Shivaji came to know from his spies that Aurangzeb was planning to either execute him or send him against the Afghans in the northwestern frontier. So Shivaji has spies. So he heard that Aurangzeb would either execute him, meaning he would either kill him, or force Shivaji to go to Afghanistan and fight the Afghans were very brave soldiers. I mean, you cannot fight the Pathans. Shivaji remained calm. He did not panic. Panic means did not get very frightened. So a hero is afraid, but he very courageous. To be a hero is not that you don't feel fear. You feel fear, but in spite of fear, you keep your mind and you take action. So he remained calm, even though his followers told him, "Maharaj, they may kill you, or he will ask you to go fight the Pathans." Shivaji remained calm. He was very resourceful, very shrewd. Resourceful means he had many ideas. He was very clever. He was immediately devising a plan, thinking of a plan to escape. So heroes are like this. They don't just sit there, "Oh my God, he's going to kill me. Oh my God, he's going to do this." No, they start thinking, what do we do next? What do we do next? So he was resourceful and shrewd. Resourceful means very clever. He would come up with different ideas. And he knew shrewd. Who is a shrewd person? Someone who knows, who can understand what someone else is going to do, who can judge you. No, I know that's Aurangzeb. He will do that. So a hero must be smart, clever, shrewd, resourceful. And he devised a plan. Devised means he made a plan to escape Aurangzeb's hold. So he devised a plan. Devised a plan means he began to plan to get out of Aurangzeb's clutches. Clutches means his hold. Not that he was holding him like this. He pretended to be severely ill. So what did he do? He pretended to be severely ill and requested most of his contingent. Remember, he came with 4,000 followers. He came with 4,000 followers. These were his contingent. Contingent means his people. He came with a large group of people. And he wanted most of his contingent to be sent back to the Deccan. So he pretended to be severely ill and he requested most of his soldiers, his followers, to go back to the Deccan. Why did he do that? He could have kept all his army there so that he is safe. He's also thinking about his army. If Aurangzeb will kill him, and then he can also kill the army. The army will not have their leader. If the leader of the army, if Shivaji is killed, if Chhatrapati Shivaji is killed, the army will also be killed. So he tells, that is important about being a hero. So he asks all his followers, his army, to leave and to go back to the Deccan. So he was there with very few people. So someone like Aurangzeb will say, "Oh, his army has gone, so nothing to worry. We'll let him be there." So Shivaji remained calm. He did not panic because he was made a prisoner. Whose prisoner was he? Aurangzeb's prisoner. What are the words you are learning here? He was resourceful and shrewd. very clever, very shrewd, very smart. You would always think. And he devised a plan. He came up with a plan to escape. What was the plan? He pretended he was ill. He sent his army back to the Deccan. Shivaji also requested that he should be allowed to send sweets and fruits as gifts to the saints and fakirs in Agra as a health offering. This is all a part of Shivaji's plan. What was the plan? He wanted to send sweets and fruits, sweetmeats and fruits, flowers to the saints and fakirs in Agra. Agra, there were many mosques. Fakirs are holy men, Muslim holy men. Holy Muslim men. So Aurangzeb was very happy. He said, okay, he's sending flowers and sweets to the mosque. Let him do that. As a health offering. Health offering means because he was not well, he said, every day I want to send big baskets of sweets, fruits and flowers. The fruits and sweetmeats were kept in large wicker baskets. Wicker baskets means the bamboo basket covered with flowers and carried on the pole by two men. Can you imagine? Big baskets. You could even sit inside the basket. So they were carried by two men with the basket in the middle. Two men carried it on the pole. Can you see? What do you think is Shivaji's plan? Can you look at that picture? Shivaji and his son Sambhaji are going to sit in the basket, cover themselves up with fruits and flowers, and escape out of the house. The fruits and sweetmeats were kept in large wicker baskets covered with flowers and carried on a pole by two men. For a few days, the soldiers guarding the house examined the wicker baskets. For a few days, they looked at the basket to see what was in it. Then they got used to the basket and they allowed the baskets to go out of the house. So Shivaji was very clever. He waited. He didn't do anything in a hurry. Not immediately, he didn't get into the basket and go. He waited. He knows the soldiers will check. They 1 day, 2 days, maybe 1 week, 2 weeks. We do not know how long. Every day it would go. And the next time they saw the basket, they say, yeah, okay, go. We know that it is going to the fakirs. One day, Shivaji and Sambhaji concealed themselves, meaning they hid themselves. Concealed. To conceal means to hide. They hid themselves in the basket. The baskets were carried out of the gates, out of the house, away from Agra.